Hello, my name is Kathleen Lisson. I'm a board certified massage therapist, and I want to take you into a simple couple minute breath work and movement yoga practice that you can do while your massage sheets are in the laundry. I don't know if you can hear, but behind me, I'm definitely doing laundry here on a Sunday. I'm not in my yoga clothes, I'm in my regular clothes, but I want to take, every time I have a little chunk of time, and if my mat's nearby, I want to take time to focus on movement and breath. So let's take that opportunity right now. So go ahead and get settled on the mat. The laundry's going to be there when we're done. We're just taking a few minutes for ourselves. And we'll start in easy pose, and let's do some triangle breathing. So we'll inhale, and then let's do it for 4. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and then exhale for 4. And then we'll start right again with the inhale. So we're doing a little upside down triangle breathing. Let's do it 4 times, and I'll keep the time for us. So inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, and exhale for 4. And final one, inhale for 4, hold for 4, and then exhale for 4. And we can take this time to return to normal, nourishing breathing. And for the fun of it, let's make an intention. What is our intention for the rest of the day? How would we like the rest of our day to go? And then place your hands on your heart once you have that intention. You can place your hands into prayer pose if you like. We'll seal that intention with 3 ohms. So go ahead and inhale. Om. Just enjoy the stillness and the peace. You can breathe normally. And then on your next exhale, go ahead and place the hands on the knees. And then inhale the hands up to the sky. And then exhale. Inhale, feeling this lengthening. Take another breath here. Feeling the back stretching. And then on an exhale, we'll stretch over to our right side. So right hand down to the side on the mat, and then left hand reaches up and over. And I can feel this stretch all the way down to my hip, all the way up to my pinky, and all the way down to my hip. So take a few breaths here. Just find the space where you can feel your body stretching. And then on your next inhale, inhale both arms up to center. And then stay curious. Does one side feel different from the other now that we had that stretch on one side? And then your next inhale, reach up, 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 even higher. And then exhale, the hand to the left side of the mat. And then the right hand reaches up and over, feeling that stretch all the way from the pinky to the hip bone. And we'll hold here for a couple breaths, feeling that stretch. I can really feel my lungs breathing into my right side body. And then the next inhale, inhale both the hands up to the sky. And then feel how this stretch up, up, up feels different than the first one and the second one that we did. And then inhale up, 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 and then exhale, we'll take a twist to the right. So left knee, right knee, left hand on the right knee, right hand behind you. And then let's play with the inhale and the exhale of this stretch. So as we inhale, can you feel the spine and the body lengthen with that inhale? And then as you exhale, can you go a little bit deeper into that stretch? Inhaling and exhaling. Feeling that twist of the spine. Hearing my laundry. And I know I still have time to do this massage, to do this meditation, this yoga, because my laundry is still going in the washing machine. And then give it one more breath here. And as we inhale, the hands can go up again. And then exhale, we'll twist to the left. Right hand on the left knee, left hand behind. And we'll just take a minute here, a few breaths, to feel the way that breathing moves us in and out of this twist. The natural movements of our body. Just a couple more inhales here. And then on the next inhale, leave that pose and come back up to our home in this tiny practice. The arms are up above the head. And now place the arms on the knees with that exhale, and let's lengthen the feet. So we have the feet pointed out, the heels are pointed out, we're stretching the feet out to the side, and then we're going to do a rotational movement here. So go ahead and clasp your hands, and then clasp them one finger over, so it's a little bit unusual. And then we'll work on stretching. How much can we stretch and move forward in this clockwise position, moving the pelvis, moving the hips, warming up the hips. And then also this nice upper body stretch as we're moving, churning, blending. And we'll go a couple more rounds in this direction, and then to the opposite direction. And notice if you have found a natural breathing pattern. Do you exhale as you're going out and inhale as you're going back? Notice how your body, when it sets up the combination of a movement and a breath, you kind of feel the resonance, you feel this calming aspect as the body enjoys moving in a pattern, enjoys breathing and moving at the same time. A couple more times in this direction, and then we can let that go to stillness. And then come back to easy pose, or you can lie down on the mat in Shavasana, and we'll end with just a few minutes of breathing. So this is cyclic physiologic breathing. So we are going to inhale, take a big inhale through the nose, and then take a second smaller inhale to really completely fill the lungs up, and then exhale naturally. And we're going to do this on your own time, so you may feel that it's comfortable to go faster, and then you may feel that your body is telling you to take it slow and take these breaths, deeper and slower. So we'll do it at our own pace. We'll do it for 5 minutes. I'll keep the time, and you may definitely feel tingles. You may feel warmer. If you get a little lightheaded, you can always lie down in Shavasana. You can take deeper breaths, or you can set aside the practice and just breathe normally. And if you feel encouraged to come back to the breathing, then you can, or else you can just come and just be in community with us until the rest of us finish this breathing activity. So let's start. It's a bigger inhale, and then top it off, and then a nice exhale. And you can exhale with the mouth or the nose. Just make this practice your own. Find what feels best for your own body. So. So I don't know if you heard that, but my washing machine has alerted me we have about 1.5 minutes left in this practice. So it's an inhale, a bigger inhale, and then just a nice long exhale. About 2 more breaths left. I'm definitely feeling the tingles. And last breath. Inhale, big inhale, and then big exhale. And then we can return to just a normal breath. Finding some movement in the wrists and in the feet, opening the eyes if they were closed, finding some movement in the shoulders. Movement in the neck. We can go counterclockwise and clockwise. Some movement in the body, and then we'll close our practice today by putting our hands in front of our heart and coming back once again to that intention that we set earlier in the practice. Our laundry is waiting for us in just a few seconds. But remembering the intention, go ahead and one final mudra, hands in prayer pose. We can bow the chin down. Remembering our intention. And then lift the chin up, and so it is. Thank you so much for joining me in this short 20-minute practice that helps us find a little movement, a little breath work in the body while our massage laundry is clean. Thank you and have a great day.